Deep beneath the wind thicket lies the greatest predator of all time. A dog that has a dream to be much more than a dog. He has accomplished it. He is now living deep beneath the forest. He doesn't call himself by dog anymore. He calls himself by Nature Dog. Nature Dog on the prowl. Watch as we will capture the Nature Dog's true beauty. Behind. He will never see us here. We shall capture him to bring him home to captivity, where he deserves to be. We just need to sneak up on him. My Nature Dog has learned well from nature, quite fast indeed. We are no match, but we are a match for the Nature Dog. I have a secret weapon up my sleeve that guarantees capturing. We just need to get close enough. Listen, my viewers. Listen to the magic of capturing the super dog, of capturing the Nature Dog. We must sneak up on him quite subtly. Then, when we get there, we go stay. We have done it, folks. We have captured the Nature Dog. Come back next video when we find what the Nature Dog thinks of our home. Say bye-bye, Nature Dog. Nature Dog.